Get the big mixing bowl. And we'll do our eggs first in the bowl so we can get the shells out easier. Oh no! I got 2 shells. Very important to do eggs separately so then you can fish the shells out if you do them. Of course, usually I'm awesome at this, but now that I'm recording it, it has to be the worst time to have a mistake. Okay. Woohoo, that one was good. Okay, so now got our eggs here. Gonna add our mashed bananas. Yum yum. 1/4 cup of shortening. It's weird because Crisco in Iowa is yellow and Crisco in Illinois is white. I don't know why. 'Tis a mystery. I'm not a food scientist. Oh, this head thing's making me hot. Okay. Beat it up. Where's my wooden spoon? It ran away. Oh, it's over here. Okay. And we're beating old school. 'Cause I'm too poor for a KitchenAid mixer. Cool. 2 cups of Bisquick. Oops, I already got it. I hope you guys can see this because this is my first time recording on a GoPro with it on my head. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot sugar. 1 cup. It makes me nervous to cook on camera. Just like when I tried to stream on Twitch and then people were actually there and I had to talk to them. It's so distracting when you're trying to play The Last Day on Earth and people are like talking to you. Sugar! Yum, yum, yum. There, this is better. Hope my giant boobs aren't in the way of the camera, but this is looking pretty good. Now, 2 cups of Bisquick. Oh no. Maybe I'll have to cut this. Whoop. Oops. Oh no, this is a bad choice. Oh, maybe it was a good choice. Go, Bisquick, go! Woo! Oh no! Oh, it all fits. According to my master plan. I knew it would fit. Oh God. And now, 2 cups of Bisquick. And you don't want to pack your flour or your Bisquick. You just want to loosely put it in the measuring cup. That's pretty good. 1. Two. There we go. Oh. All right, now we stir in the Bisquick. Yeah, and if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, you gotta work out. Multitasking. Okay, 1/2 cup of pecans. Half cup of pecans. Yay. Quick and easy pecan caramel rolls. Those sound good. Might have to check that out. And stir. Woohoo! Alright, now we need a pan. And I have noticed that dark pans like this suck for bread. I guess you'd make meatloaf in it or something. These are the ones you want for banana nut bread. Alright, so here's another secret. Non-stick baking spray with flour. Pam makes it. I guess this off-brand makes it. But it really keeps your bread from not sticking to the pan. Perfect. Now we go over here. One last stir. Got all the ingredients in there. Cool. In the pan we go. Woo. Alright, looks like the oven's preheated, so we can throw it right in there. Time 1 hour. Start. Yep, that's right. Alright, 1 hour, we'll come back and my banana nut bread will be done. There it is. So, it's been an hour and I got banana nut bread out of the oven. And to make sure it's done, you put a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, that's pretty clean. It is done. There. Now, we need to flip it out. Woohoo! Yay! I flipped it out. Now it's on a cooling rack. And we'll let it cool a little bit, and then eat some. Yum yum. This is the finished product. Yum yum. Looks so good.